My name's Louise Blackwell and I work as the Community Development Officer for Clwyd Alyn Housing Limited. That involves working with residents across North Wales on all sorts of different projects, including digital inclusion. We also run a community cafe and an Odell Involve, a device and support service. I think one of the unique selling points of Clwyd Alyn is that it's a company that cares. So rather than just building houses, we're very passionate that we want to create homes and communities that our residents can live in, that they can be proud of. Digital inclusion is about getting people connected. It's about giving people access to technologies that can help enhance the quality of their lives. A lot of our elderly residents, for example, may be relatively isolated, but by showing them how to use technology such as Skype or Facebook or Twitter, that immediately opens up a whole other world. So digital inclusion plays a huge part in so many aspects of people's lives that it's something we're really keen to develop and make sure that our residents aren't missing out on those opportunities.